The birds and the bees.
Today we are here to tackle the issue of sexual promiscuity in this school, right now, as we're speaking.
Hot dogs, right?
Did you guys hear Andrew's a virgin? No. Oh, no, actually. Wait, he's coming.
Hey guys.
Hey.
It's a little embarrassing. I'm a virgin.
Why?
I don't know. I just never really thought about it that much. I never really had the opportunity. I'm kind of waiting for something special.
That's so nice. Yeah, that's so nice. No one does that.
Thanks, guys. I just felt embarrassed. I needed your comfort for it.
Yeah. Well, you have us. Yeah.
Secret safe with us.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Oh my gosh. How far along are you? 8 months. Oh my gosh. I just found out I got chlamydia. Who? Is that?
What?
You gave me chlamydia.
Got me pregnant.
Hey guys, what's wrong?
Well, I'm pregnant. I've got chlamydia from the same guy.
Whoa, I don't have any of that.
You should have waited.
1 in 2 sexually active people will get an STD by the age of 25. Most won't know it.
1 in 6 people are infected with herpes in the U.S.
7 in 10 pregnancies among single women 18 to 29 are unplanned.
Nearly half of the mothers ages 15 to 19 live below the poverty line.
Find out more at it'syoursexlife.com. This relates to Ash's studies because people conform to their peers' actions.
Don't have sex, because you will get pregnant and die. Don't have sex in the missionary position. Don't have sex standing up. Just don't do it. Promise? Okay, everybody take some rubbers.